6 p.m. Eastern Time on the 12th of November. We're breaking our 11th box of Luminaries Baseball. One box break. Random teams. Here's what we got. We got Bradley's. A whole bunch of them. Eric, Travis, James, Shannon, James, Mike, Nick, John, Naomi, and Jared. All right, everyone. Anything higher than 4 lower delivery roll is always in the dice roller. Get your random teams. Leave it open for a couple seconds here to do trades too. Jared on bottom, Bradley on top. Anything higher than 4. 2, go again. 4, go again. All right, we're here 6 times, guys. 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. What's up, Joe? How you been, buddy? All right, starting off with Naomi, and then with Shannon.
When I was in the military, I always looked forward to the career I would have after I served.
All right, here we go.
That's why I went to UMUC.
We got Naomi Braves, Bradley Orioles, Red Sox Mike, John White Sox, Cubs Bradley, Eric Reds, Indians James, Eric Rockies, Tigers James, John Astros, Royals Shannon, Travis Angels, Dodgers James, Mike Marlins, Brewers, Naomi, Jared Twins, Mets, Yankees, Athletics go to Bradley. We got Nick with the Phillies, Pirates go to Bradley, Padres go to Bradley, Travis Giants, Mariners Nick, James Cardinals, Rangers Bradley, Jarrett, Blue Jays, and Nationals Shannon. All right, leave 10 seconds. Anyone wants to do any trades? We got 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, guys, let's knock it out. One more box to go after this, and I'm going to bed. Yankees are due. They haven't hit yet. Thank you, guys. I appreciate it. It's been fun. All right, here we go, guys. It is the Yankees. It's going to be Tanaka. 3 of 15. Not bad. New York Yankees, Masahiro Tanaka. Going to Bradley. Bradley's on fire. Got 4 hits tonight. 4 hits. Congrats, man. 1 box left, guys. We still have not hit a 1-on-1, a cut auto, a booklet, anything like that. I'm not promising nothing. I don't know what's coming out next. It could be huge. It could suck. I'm hoping it's huge, guys, because this case has not been that great. So last one's going up, guys, here in a few minutes. Again, it's not pick your spot. It's straight fill. Let's fill her up and move on. Congrats to those who got hits tonight. Sorry, those who did not. All right, guys. Talk to you soon. Thank you.